Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Khandubhai Desai. He was born on 23rd of October 1898 in Bulsar, Gujarat. He studied at a high school in Bulsar and enrolled in the Wilson College, Bombay, but discontinued his education at Wilson College on Gandhiji's call to boycott school and colleges as a part of non-cooperation movement. He later resumed his studies at Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Ahmedabad, and after graduation, he worked as a headmaster at the National School at Bombay. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bombay Presidency on a Congress ticket. He spoke only on two occasions. On one occasion, he argued that salaries and emoluments guaranteed to the constitutional authorities could threaten India's public fund. On second occasion, he spoke in the support of the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's decision to join Commonwealth of Nations. We just see what he spoke in this issue. 17th of May 1949. Quote, I support this motion not as a politician, nor as a lawyer, nor as a student of international questions. My support to this motion is from the point of view of how that agreement has reached on the common people of this country. There is no doubt that handling of this question by our Prime Minister has raised the prestige and status of India in the committee of the nations in the world. The opposition to this motion was mainly based on, in my opinion, fear and inferiority complex. So he was in a way favor of India joining in Commonwealth. We are thankful to him for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.